Majority of women I know.
Yeah, their age. Remember, Kisii banana is
Objective is to ensure that the farmer or the trader or the entrepreneur is able to get maximum value for their products. In this case, the target was a banana value chain, and we were looking at the entire value chain from the farmer, what is the best price they can be able to fetch for their banana stock or the banana fingers, and how can it be added value such that it goes back to the market and they get money. Just as an example, here in the locality, you will find that a banana stock is going for 200 to 300 shillings. Yeah? But when it gets to other markets in Nairobi, for example, it might go as high as 600 to 900. And in Kisii alone, their production is averaging around 400,000 metric tons, which is comparable to what Meru is doing in terms of volume. They can be able to showcase out there, and we have market from the East African community.
We've seen so many products coming from banana crop. Everything in the banana, we rant there are over 20 products that can be made from bananas. What we have seen is amazing. We never knew that the air additions can come from bananas. We've seen it today. We've seen even an example of air additions from banana.
Interaction that we have had here is very nice, because what we are seeing across the country is that unless we partner, a county alone cannot market its product. If we engage some kind of partnership, kind of working relationship, we can get a market through the MSEA thing that we are having here today, and maybe the labor-related relationship. We can have a common market that we can take our products once we have added value on it.